hold me in your eyes, in your own special way. I wonder how you know things I've never said. I can't imagine life without you by my side. The power of your love is all I need tonight. I know there have been times that I have caused you pain. I turn them all around. If I could start again, there's something I must say. I know it's overdue. The sweetest thing I've known or ever called my own begins and ends with you. How I love you, how I love you. The softness of your lips, the color of your hair, the memory of your touch remains when you're not there. The echo of your laughter when I'm feeling blue, the meaning of my life, it all begins with you. So come into my arms, lay down by my side. The moon is always there to keep our love alive. I've reached so very high for everything that's mine, and at the top is you. I'll have you for all time, a dream forever new.